We're here at the 2010 OneMedForum in San Francisco. I'm now joined by Spiro Rombotis, the CEO of Cyclacel Pharmaceuticals. Spiro, thank you very much for joining us.
You're welcome.
I think we should start off with just a brief overview of Cyclacel.
We are a 13-year-old company focused in developing novel therapies for cancer. These come from the area of cell cycle biology, a field that received the Nobel Prize in 2001 for medicine and physiology.
Excellent. Let's touch base on your most advanced product currently.
Our most advanced drug is an agent called sapecitabine. It's the first oral capsule drug given to people that have acute myeloid leukemia, a deadly form of leukemia that's particularly prevalent in people that have older age, 60, 70, 80 years of age. We showed compelling data of increased survival at 1 year for over 1/3 of these patients in last December's American Society of Hematology conference.
Excellent. Any supporting drug candidates that are in the pipeline that you'd like to touch on as well?
The same drug has activity in a sister disease called myelodysplastic syndromes, or MDS, which is sometimes called smoldering leukemia because it takes longer to reach the patient's demise. We also active in the cell cycle context in the area of non-small cell lung cancer and are enrolling there as well our third phase 2 clinical trial with the same drug.
Excellent. How about Cyclacel, your second candidate?
Cyclacel is our second drug. It is a very exciting agent. It addresses exactly the target that received the Nobel Prize called CDK, or cyclin-dependent kinases. Exciting data was reported last Thursday in a peer-reviewed journal from a group at Dartmouth University about this drug, showing that in cell lines that have lung cancer mutations, the drug is exquisitely active, but is not active in cell lines that do not have cancer mutations. The particular mutation the drug is active is called KRAS. It's one of the most commonly known mutations that is deemed to be untreatable. So if this drug, which is now in phase 2 trials, which is supposed to report in the summer, is proven to be active, and on top of that, provide the hope for patients that have this terrible KRAS mutation, this could be a very exciting moment for us.
Excellent. I guess just as a quick recap, from an investor standpoint, what kind of major milestones and catalysts could we expect to see from Cyclacel in the remainder of 2010?
We had a meeting with the FDA in December about our lead drug, sapecitabine, in acute myeloid leukemia, and agreed the design of a pivotal trial for this drug, which after we get a special protocol assessment or a contractual agreement with the FDA on the trial design later this winter, we hope to begin the pivotal trial by the summer of this year. As for the second drug, Cyclacel, we should be able to report phase 2 randomized proof of concept data by the summer of this year. The two major events for Cyclacel for 2010.
Fantastic. Spiro, thank you very much for joining us.
Pleasure, thank you.
Again, that was Cyclacel Pharmaceuticals. For more information, they trade under the symbol CYCC. You can also see them online at cyclacel.com as well as OneMedPlace.com.